Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My bedroom and bath are probably the rooms I tend to neglect the most, and that's because no one usually sees those rooms but my husband and myself. Today, I am giving my master bathroom a much needed clean. First, I'm going to begin by clearing off the countertop and putting everything back where it belongs, so I can give the counter a good spray down with my favorite Method antibacterial all-purpose cleaner and let that sit for 10 minutes before wiping clean. I picked up this glass and surface cleaner from the Dollar Tree. It is made with vinegar and works really good. So if you need a cheap, inexpensive glass cleaner, head to the Dollar Tree.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my brains.
Cleaning the toilet is probably one of my least favorite chores. What is your least favorite? Leave it down in the comments below.
When I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
Catherine from Do It on a Dime recently showed in one of her videos how to clean a shower using toilet bowl cleaner, and I wanted to give that a shot. So I let my shower get super dirty so that I could test it out. It does work. I loved watching these drips while I was editing, so I had to put them in slow motion for you. Next, it's time to tackle this soap scum on the door. I am going to use baking soda, lemon juice, and vinegar to tackle this. This is the first time that I have used lemon juice to get the soap scum off. The acid in the lemon juice helps break down the bacteria and dirt in the soap scum to help remove it.
I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
I am following that up by a baking soda paste. So basically, I just put some baking soda inside of a bowl and added just a tiny bit of vinegar to turn it into a paste. And now I'm applying that all over the door. Once done, I will rinse everything off.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control.
This step is actually brand new to me. It has never dawned on me before to use glass cleaner on a glass shower. Yes, I know that sounds crazy because it's glass, but I've always used bathroom cleaners in the bathroom. Never once did I think to use a glass cleaner. Now that the rest of the bathroom is clean, it is time to focus on the floors. Since this little room is so tiny, I prefer to mop the floor by hand. I sprayed vinegar and water on the floor, and now I'm just giving a good wipe down.
Well, I was never any good at from you. I met you in the summer.
For the rest of the bathroom, I like to use my steam cleaner. If you've never used a steam cleaner to clean your floors, you're totally missing out.
Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the
That is it for this video, you guys. I hope you found this video helpful and motivating. My next video will be on Monday, so make sure your notifications are on. If you haven't yet subscribed and you like this video, please subscribe now so you don't miss another one. As always, thank you for watching. You guys rock, and I will talk to you in my next video.
'Cause if you want somebody else who